Hello and welcome to my final morning report chart appraisal on Friday the 6th of February with me, Rich Pro, market analyst at Handtech Markets. It is non-farm payrolls Friday, so that is certainly going to be on traders' minds throughout the day. And I'm just going to show you a very quick chart to start off with, which is the chart of, this is gold in yellow and the dollar index in pink or purple. And the green line is the correlation between the two, because I've been talking a lot about the fact that generally gold and the dollar have an inverse relationship, hence this line consistently below zero. But in the last few weeks, in the last couple of weeks, they really have been trading in line, and you'll notice that this correction in the gold price has sort of come at the same time as this correction in the dollar. Now, I'll be interested to see how this continues, but that is certainly something that we need to bear in mind, because normally on non-farm payrolls Friday, if the payrolls report comes out strongly, that's dollar positive, and that generally tends to be gold negative. However, we have this correlation at the moment, although albeit it does seem to be slightly falling away, so it'd be interesting to see how this relationship goes today. But I thought I'd just show you that one first of all. So, onto the chart of gold. Now, as I said, we've had this correction in gold, and that's a fairly uniform consistency of lower highs. And I'll show you that on the intraday hourly chart, and you can see here consistent lower highs coming back towards that, back on the daily chart, back towards this 1255 area, which is around about that 38.2% fib retracement level of this big gold bull run. And it just seems as though we're coming almost to a head now. These two levels are converging. Sorry, excuse me. These two levels are converging, and the support continues to come in around 1255, but the consistent peak of lower highs, which is now coming back towards the 1255 area. Also, look at this consistent use of the pivot level. That old support, 1271.85, was support. Broke down, then broke through, but became supportive again, and is now the basis of resistance again. So it's an interesting pivot level. 1270, sort of say 1272, seems to be very interesting now on this gold chart. So if you start to break above, I think this resistance here at 12, which is 1273.70, if you start to break out there, I think you could start to see the gold price rallying back towards this 1285.10 mark, which is the sort of probably a key reaction high within this sell-off. So if we start to see that happening, the bulls may be beginning to be getting more interested again. But at the moment we are consolidating, and we've got the support at 1255, the resistance at lower levels, but underneath this downtrend, and sets us up rather nicely for non-farm payrolls. So I hope that's helped, and I wish you good luck in your trading in front of payrolls, and I will speak to you later. Thank you. Oh, no, next week.